Hello, my name is Mrs. Streck and I teach math at your child's school. I wanted to take a minute to show you a math game that your child has been playing with me in math intervention, and it could be a fun game to play at home. All you need for this game is a deck of cards. You could choose any type of deck or cards that you would like to play this game, and you have two choices. You could choose to lay them all out and create a match game, or you could just flip the cards in the same version. It takes up less space and you don't have to worry about cleanup. So how this might work is on my turn, I will flip over two cards and see if they make a pair to 10. Mine don't make a pair to 10. So it'll be the next player's turn. And when they choose a card, they will make a decision. Maybe these aren't very shuffled. They will make a decision on if they now see, out of all of those cards, any that make 10. Next, I flipped a 9. Still not enough to make 10. I'll have to make some more space. How about another? A 6. Do any of these make a pair to make 10? Not yet. Next player gets a see it, gets a 2, and I could say, I see 10, and take 8 and 2, because together 8 plus 2 make 10, and I could count the pieces on the cards to help me know that. 8, 9, 10. 8 and 2 make 10. They're partners of 10. As your child is getting better at this and is able to find partners of 10 quickly, you could switch to finding cards that add up to 15 or finding cards that add up to 20. If it feels like your son or daughter is seeing these two cards side by side and they don't realize that that is 10, you could switch the game to find matches that get you to 5. So just take out the 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 cards and just keep ace through 5 and have them find combinations that get up to 5, or if they're ready, they can go up to 10. That's what we've been doing in the classroom. And if they feel like they're mastering their partners to 10, they can keep working forward to get 15 or 20. The other thing I wanted to tell you was you want to take out all of the like the jacks, the kings, the queens, and then of course the jokers. You don't need those in the deck. If you don't have a deck of cards, you could just get out some paper and cut it up and draw the numbers 1 through 10 4 or 5 times, and then lay those cards out. So remember, you could lay them out like this and make it a match game and just flip them over. My recommendation would be that after your turn, you still leave all the cards flipped over, so that the goal is to find partners of 10 rather than remembering where cards were. But if you feel ready, you could play it like a typical match game and flip them back over and have to remember where they saw the 2 the last time. If you have questions about how to play this game or why it's a good idea for your child to play this game, feel free to reach out to me and I'm happy to answer any questions that you have. Happy playing!